So I bought a new Kingston SSD of 240 GB, and we should buy a caddy so that we can insert the SSD into the drive. Now unscrew your device and you can see the CD drive over there. So we have to remove the CD drive. There is one screw, and insert the HDD in the caddy and make sure it is tight and adjust it with thermocols or something. Now we have to insert the caddy just the way the CD drive was, and insert the SSD as a primary device. Now download a software called Disk Genius where we can migrate the OS. So there are like two methods. One, we can clone the entire disk and use the SSD only, or the other method is to migrate the OS only. So I'll show how migration is done. So download this software and open it, and select the SSD drive and go to tools and click on system migration and select the drive and press on OK and start. So it will take around 1 to 2 hours to get it completed. Now let's see the speed test. So I'm currently restarting the system and let's see the speed difference. Okay, and I'll put the like how much time it is taking at the end.